Today I'm going to be making a video about how we make wudu. So in my previous video I sent a video about how we make wudu, and so today we're going to be doing a Wudu quiz about how we do wudu, and let's see how much you remember. So I'm going to join in with my name. Okay, there it is, and then it's about to start in 10 seconds, and then we can begin our quiz. 5 more seconds, guys, before it starts. Kahoot. Get ready. Wudu quiz. 3, 2, 1. Quiz. First. Question 1. Red, we make intention to perform wudu. So we make intention to perform wudu. Yellow, wash your feet. So first you wash your feet. Or blue, first you wash your hands. Red, first we make intention to. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. True or false? Second, wash your hands. So true, second, you do wash your hands. Or false, second, you do not wash your hands and you do something else. So is it true or false? Let's see if you can get this correct. 5 more seconds. The answer is true. Second, do wash your hands. First, you make intention to perform wudu, and then you wash your hands. On to the next question. Question 3, quiz. Third, take water in your mouth with your left hand, which is red, both hands, which is yellow, any hand, which is blue, or your right hand, which is green. So your left hand, red, both hands, yellow, any hand, blue, or your right hand, which is green. The answer is your right hand. So you take water in your mouth with your right hand. So first you make intention to perform wudu, and then you wash your hands, and then you put water in your mouth with your right hand. Okay, question 4. Fourth, take water in your nose, which is red. Take water in your mouth, which is blue. It's a quiz. Take water in your nose, which is red, or take water in your mouth, which is blue. The answer is red. Fourth, you take water in your nose. First, you make intention to do wudu, then you wash your hands, and then you put water in your mouth, then you put water in your nose. True. Question 5, true or false? Fifth, you clean your arms. So is it true that fifth, you clean your arms after putting water in your nose, or is it false? You don't clean your arms after you put water in your nose. 5 more seconds. The answer is false. You do not clean your arms after you put water in your nose. Next question. Question 6, quiz. Fifth. So we know that we don't clean our arms because we just did that in our previous question. So is it wash your arm? That it can't be red, but can it be wash your face, which is blue, or wash your feet, which is yellow? Is it wash your face or wash your feet? The answer is wash your face. So fifth, you wash your face. So first you make intention to do wudu, then you wash your hands, and then you put water in your nose, and then you wash your face. Next question 7, quiz. 6, red, wash your feet, yellow, wash your arms, or blue, wash your hair. So do you wash your feet, wash your arms, or wash your hair? Let's see if you can get this correct. The answer is wash your arms. 6, you wash your arms. So first you make intention to do wudu, then you wash your hands, and then you put water in your mouth, and then you put water in your nose, and then you wash your face, and then you wash your arm. Question A. True or false? You only wash your arms halfway. So like when you wash your hands, do you wash it halfway, which is true, or do you wash it full way, which is false? The answer is false. You wash your arms halfway. Let's move on to the next question. Quiz. Question 9. Seventh, which is red. Seventh. Wash your hair and ear, which is red. Wash your hair, just your hair, which is yellow. Wash your feet and arms, which is blue, or wash your feet, which is green. So do you wash your hair and ear, or wash only your hair, or wash your feet and arms, or just wash your feet? The answer is wash your hair and ear. First, you make intention to do wudu, and then you wash your hands, and then you put water in your mouth, then you put water in your nose, then you wash your face, and then you wash your arms, and then you wash your hair and your ear. Okay, true or false? Question 10, the last question. 8, you wash your feet. So is it true that you wash your feet, or is it false that you do not wash your feet? Lastly, do you wash your feet or you do not? The answer is true. The last step is you wash your feet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. So I'm going to repeat how you make wudu. First, you make intention to wudu, then you put water in your mouth, then you put water in your nose, then you wash your face, and then you wash your arms, then you wash your hair and ear, and then last you wash your feet. So that's it for this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.